Control the tie, inside, good hand fight. Good 2-on-1 right there.
Check stance, buddy.
Circle.
Good stance, don't reach.
Circle,
Don't reach.
inside tie, inside tie. Right hand inside,
Hey, standing up
Good
high.
combo. Circle in, circle in. Control your wrist, control the wrist.
Deep breath, man. Go, Max. Stay low.
Circle in.
Wrist control.
Good.
Yep.
Good hand fight. There you go.
30 seconds. Circle in. You control the center. Arm drags there. Circle in. Yep. Short time. Elbow control when he goes on the collar. Circle in. 10 seconds. Nothing. Snap down. Club dig. Yeah. Circle in. Stay in the middle. What happened? It's 2 seconds.
Oh, headgear. Sorry. That's okay. I think there's 3 seconds.
There's 3 seconds.
There's 3 seconds.
2, 1, time. You good?
Good job, Enrique.
Hey, stay heavy.
Flatten him out.
Put weight on his hands. Drive. Chop.
Lock it up. Come to the side.
Hold. You're on top. Cover. Chop. Follow. It's all right. Arm drag.
Hand fight.
Inside tie, right hand. Inside
tie.
Good job.
Hang on the head, buddy.
Club and dig. Circle in. Club and dig. Heavy. Club dig. Yep, he's leaning. Club dig right there. Yeah.
There it is.
Keep that. Yep. Hands inside. Yep.
Don't hang on the head.
Get your wrist
Fight
back.
hand.
Peel that
There you
hand
go.
back.
Fight wrist.
Face him. Good placement. Good hand placement. Put your hand back.
Good job.
Peel that
Head
off.
position.
Peel that off. Wait for you to come again. Wait for you to drop.
Head elbow
club.
control.
Circle in. Keep wrestling. You gotta wrestle, kid.
Hey, club dig.
Yep. When you're ready.
Hey.
Inside time. Yes, snap. Work.
Club dig.
Again. Club dig.
Hey, you're okay. Good job. Hey, good work. Keep battling in there.
Club dig. Be first. Get your wrist back.
Hey.
Circle in. He's leaning. Yes. Do that again. Circle in. Do it again. Snap. Club dig. Club dig. Snap.
Head up.
Good. Watch your underhook. Good. Got right legs there.
30 seconds.
Yes, right there. Work.
Snap them.
Work. Sprawl.
There you go, guys. Come on.
Keep
Pummel in.
that.
Clear the underhook. Circle right. Clear the underhook. Circle right.
Pumble in.
Go, Max. Short time. Let's go.
10 seconds. You're good. Work. Inside time. Yes. When he leans, you snap.
Good position, buddy.
Don't let him fix that headgear. Go for it.
Good. You're good. Hey, good job.
We're doing well. I need one.
Hold him down, Max.
Don't let him up.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Up.
First move.
Hand fight. Peel it off. Good. Keep that hand.
Walk those fingers.
Shoulder
on the
down.
mat.
Right shoulder down. Don't go. Feel that
Fight
hand.
the hand. Fight
Feel
hand.
that hand. Don't go. You're out. Right side. Good job.
Sit through.
Good job, boys.
Good job, Enrique, buddy. Go, buddy.